Hello YouTubers. We purchased at the local Carl's here in Nebraska this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. The model number on it is model number WRS321SDHV01. This is a black stainless steel color. We got it Friday and today is Tuesday, so we've had it a few days, and I was just doing a quick review because I looked on YouTube and there wasn't any. Up here it stands 67 inches tall at the tallest point, and I measure them from the floor to the top part here where you see it's higher. This lower part from the floor is 66 inches. It's 30.5 inches deep, and it's 33 inches wide. It's got 21 cubic foot space inside, and the fridge side has 4 shelves, 3 drawers, and the door has 4 shelves and 1 compartment. I'll show you here in a minute once I open it. The freezer side has 3 shelves and a drawer on the bottom with the ice maker. This also has the ice maker and a water dispenser on the door also. So far it seems to be working real good. We had a real old fridge, so our fridge that came with the house when I bought it in 2008, so hopefully this one will be more energy efficient. And as you can see, we were limited on what size we could buy, just because we have this cabinet on the right side of it, and then we have cabinets up top and a wall on this side, so we had to limit ourselves to what we could buy that would fit that area. So okay, here's the fridge side. As you can see, we have 4 shelves, and actually the top of this shelf is the top of that drawer, and we have 3 drawers down here. In the door we have this compartment here, and we have 3 adjustable shelves right there, and then a shelf down there on the bottom. This just opens like this, and then when you go and shut it, once you get to a certain part, they shut themselves. The freezer side, got the ice maker, and we got the 3 shelves here, and we have a drawer down here. The door has 3 shelves in it, and then the ice dispenser right there. Here is the water and ice dispenser. As you can see here, this has the freezer temperature. Push this and it has 5 bars. We have it set on 3rd bar so far. We have to adjust that, you just push this some more, and that'll give you, you adjust it. Here's the light for down here. Here's the type of ice. You got cubed ice, you got crushed ice, and I like that. I like this whole thing on the door. Got a lock right there, and the refrigerator temperature, which is just like the freezer temperature. And you got also 5 bars on there. The first bar is being cold, the 5th bar is being the coldest, as it says. And here we got the cubed ice. Then we'll switch it to the crushed ice. Now, whoops. Here's the water. And there we go, since it's been about 100 degrees here in Nebraska. Got some nice cold water. But yeah, overall, we're happy with this. So, if you like this, hit the like button. Got any comments? Comment on it. I'll try to answer what I can. And check out my other videos and subscribe if you want. Thank you.